Good morning. I welcome you to Mureka channel, A Moment with Yokwaro. This morning, I welcome you to live lessons number 100. And in this morning, I would like us to understand how you do introduction. When you're introducing somebody, what are the procedures or what are the expected way of introduction? One thing which I would like you to know and to understand, when you are being introduced by somebody to someone else, when you are sitting, it's important for you to stand up. When you stand up, the person who is introducing you, you make sure the person whom you are being introduced to, you look to him or her at his eyes. The person finishes with the introduction, and then after the introduction, then you appreciate the person. You say thank you very much. It's a pleasure to know you. And then, after that introduction of saying and appreciating the person and saying it was a pleasure for you knowing the person, then the next thing is to shake his or her hands. But a point of caution here, it is very important to understand the cultural norm, the cultural behavior of various people. There are some people who will not like handshake. Not like they will not like it, but because of their culture, because of their behavior, because of the norms and the values which govern their society. So it is very, very important. And it's also important also to remember, when you are being introduced, it's also important to know the person whom you are being introduced to, is he your senior? If it is your senior, please always wait for your senior person to extend his hands to you. Junior people don't extend their hands to the senior people. One can end up being embarrassed. But there is no way in which a senior person will extend his or her hands and then you refuse to respond. But the vice versa can be true. Thank you very much. This is live lesson number 100. I hope you are going to follow it when it comes to introduction. And please, it's also important to note, when somebody comes to your office, it's important for you to stand up, not just to greet the person when you are sitting down. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Es Motiaro Kwaro, your family therapist and a relationship coach.